Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can restart Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. In the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all the sections, games, media, and your settings. So right here, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and also your collection and PlayStation Plus. So right now, if you have Fortnite, just go ahead and search for it and then start it. So basically guys, as you can see right here, I don't have Fortnite, but I'm gonna show you how you can restart Fortnite or any game on your PlayStation 5. So right now, for example, I'm gonna start this game, or I'm gonna start this one. And then once you do that, just wait for it to load. And then basically guys, if you want to restart the game, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and hold click on your PS button. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in the home page again. Go to the game that you want to restart. Then go ahead and click on the option button on your controller. Then right here, you're gonna find all these options: close game, check for updates, check sync status, and so on. Go ahead and click on close game, and then just wait for the game to close, and then just go ahead and open it again. Then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.